Guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create this long shadow text effect. So let's get started. First we will go to Canva apps and type here type extrude. Go to this option and type your text here. Change your font style if you want. I will change the font Barleyina 123. Go back and you can change the color of this. There are two colors in the text. I will go to this one. Now you can change the length of your shadow and just press add to design. So this is how you can create long shadow text effect. If you want to change the color of this text, so you can also change this by selecting the color and click on update element. That will change in seconds. If you want to type another text, just go here, type your text. Font is already selected, and if you will update the element, it will make changes in the existing text, but by clicking on the side you can type another text from here. Long. Increase the length of the shadow, add to design. Increase the size of your shadow and go to the position, send it back. But the font is not same, so you go just select that text and go to type extrude and change the font by clicking on this. Now click on update element. Our font is changed. So this is how you can create long shadow text effect. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.